All right, guys, to do your place value turkey, you're going to need to look at the number on your turkey. Your number is different than my number, but I'm going to show you how to do it using my number, and then you can use these strategies on your turkey. So I've already cut out my feathers. You can either follow along with your feathers on the paper, or you can pause and cut them out. First thing I want to do is look at the different forms of this number. So the standard form is just the numbers. Word form is using letters. So if this number is 2,398, I'm going to write with words 2,398. Notice I used a comma and a dash in the number, comma for the 1,000, dash between the 90 and the 8. So word form is written with numbers. Pause if you need more time to complete this on your feather. Next, I'm going to do expanded form. Expanded form is when we take the number and expand it or spread it out by the place value. The biggest place value is 2,000. The 2 is in the thousands place, so it is 2,000. Then the hundreds place, we have a 3. The 3 is worth 300. So 2,000 plus 300. And the tens place is a 9. That is worth 90. And in the ones place is an 8. So that is worth 8. 2,000 plus 300 plus 90 plus 8. Pause if you need more time to do your own feather. And going off this expanded form, there are feathers that are looking at the values of the digits. The ones digit. Where is the ones place? Here is the ones place. How much is that worth? 8 ones is worth 8. Value of the tens digit. Where's the tens place? Here's the tens place. How much is the 9 worth? It is worth 90. Value of the hundreds digit. Where's the hundreds place? Here's the hundreds place. How much is that 3 worth? That 3 is worth 300. Value of the thousands digit. Where is the thousands place? Here is the thousands place. How much is that 2 worth? 2 thousands is worth 2,000. And there's all the little place value feathers. Pause if you need more time to complete these feathers for your own turkey. Next, I want to look at the odd or even feather. When we're talking about if a number is odd or even means it can be shared equally between 2 people. A good guide for that is to count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Well, it's going to take forever if I count by 2s to 2,398. So I'm just going to look at the ones place. That number is 8. Can we count by 2s and get to 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. We can. That means the number is even. Pause so you can do this on your own paper. Remember, if you can count by 2s, it is even. If you cannot count by 2s, it is odd. Next, I want to look at the rounding feathers. Round to the nearest 10. We've rounded to the nearest 10 in class, but not with a number this big. So we need to remember when we're rounding to the nearest 10, we're looking at the tens place. 98. What is 98 close to? What is 398 close to? Well, if we go down to 90, that would be going down 8. If we were going up to the next 100, that would be only 2. So rounded to the nearest 10 is 2,400. Looking at rounding to the nearest hundreds place, here is our hundreds place, 398. Is it closer to 300 or is it closer to 400? Well, we would have to go backwards 98 to get to 300. And we only need to jump up 2 to get to 400. So 2,398 rounded to the nearest 100 is also 2,400. Pause if you need more time to do it with your own turkey. Your numbers will be different than mine. Last feather. Wow equation with at least one subtraction operation. So we didn't use the phrase wow equation in class, but think of it as today's number where we would do a bunch of plus and minus. So I'm going to do 2,000 plus 400 take away 2. 2,000 plus 400 is 2,400. Take away 2 brings me down to 2,398. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to color your turkey. Color at least the tops of your feathers so that when you glue them on, it makes a nice colorful turkey that I can then hang up in the hallway. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, and I can't wait to see you back in class.